Hey dear students, welcome to this small video. In this I would like to explain about the orbital frequency or frequency revolution. It is nothing but the number of revolutions made by an electron per second in a shell. Simply, if the question asked the number of revolutions per second by an electron in a shell, then that will be understood by considering this imagination radius is the r value is the radius is r, and anyway electron is revolving. The total circumference of that one we will take as 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference with a velocity v. So this number of revolutions per second will be calculated by writing the formula velocity by circumference. Circumference covered. So in this, what is velocity is v, circumference formula is 2 pi r if the radius is r. Okay, then we already know that what is velocity formula. We have derived velocity formula in the previous session. There the velocity answer is 2 pi into 2 pi e square into z into k by nh is the formula for velocity, divided by 2 pi r is also present here in this one. So I have substituted the velocity here and 2 pi r remains the same. 2 pi got cancelled. So what is remaining here in this one is e square into z into k by n into h into r is there, r. But in this we know the radius expression. What is the radius expression? E square by z into k by n into h into radius formula n square h square by 4 pi square me square into z into k. So we have derived the radius formula. We have substitute the radius formula in this one for nth orbit. So what we will get here is equals to 4 pi square m into e power 4 z square into k square divided by n cube into h cube, n cube into h cube. If you carefully observe this one, in this, apart from z and n, the rest part of that one if you take, in that the 4 can be written as 2 into 2 pi square m e power 4 z square k square by, okay, n square h square, n square h square. You can observe what is the, this expression is there. This expression is energy of nth orbit. Okay, so the remaining one is nothing but 2 only I have taken out, and whatever the rest is there, that is nothing but h is remained here. One h is separated out, and n cube is also written separately. Okay, see carefully. Okay, see here, this will be the formula of number of revolutions, but in different cases, if they give something differently, like if you consider this is energy of the orbit, Bohr orbit, first orbit, then E1, if that is divided by h multiplied by 2 by n cube, so this n square will go this side, becomes n cube, and the h we will take here. So then this part is called as E1 by h. Okay, so then E1 by h will become here h into, in the formula h square, h cube will come. So 2 by n cube if you separate it out, then this will also one of the expression for number of revolutions in the Bohr's orbit. So this can also be written like this, where what is E1 I have taken? E1 I have taken is the energy of the orbit in the Bohr's electron, of the Bohr's electron. So this will be this one. So if you substitute all these things, whatever the answer will come, that also we will see. What is the value here? This is provided here for this one, number of revolutions, or we can frequency of revolutions is nothing but 6.666 into 10 to the power of the value which is calculated is 15 into z square by n cube. So obviously it is proportional to z square by n cube only. Second inverse per second, its units are per second only. You would like to write the number of the time period, then you want to calculate the time period of this one, then it will be reverse. What is that one? Is nothing but 1 by this frequency of revolutions, then it will be reverse of that one. It answer came as yes, 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 16 n cube by z square seconds. So this one is reciprocal of this one, frequency. Frequency is nothing but reciprocal of the time only. Okay, these two values you need to prepare, but these values they don't ask, they will ask the relation. What is the frequency? Directly proportional to z square by n cube, and time period is directly proportional to n cube by z square. The time period is nothing but the reverse of this one, this 2 pi r by v only. Time period is nothing but 2 pi r by v. Using this you will get this one. Okay, so these two also you need to observe for coming board competitive examination, particularly JEE-NEET examinations. This question also you need to concentrate. Means not only the formula, you have to apply that one in a problem. For that this video is useful. Okay, thank you very much.